Hey, how's it going everyone? I'm Coach Megan. I was a former level 10 gymnast and I'm a stunt woman and I coach gymnastics. I have for like over 20 years. And I am here to help you get started with gymnastics. Yes, this video is going to be basic stretching and what you can do on the balance beam. Don't worry if you don't have a beam, you can just make a tape line and use the tape, pretend it's a beam. And also what you can do on the bar. So yippee. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do, of course, is always do a little warm up and stretch. You can jog in place. You can do your jumping jacks, stretch jumps, arms up and down. Get warm. Then we're just gonna do very basic stretches. Ow, never sit too hard on your bottom. First one is pike stretch. Nice tight legs, reach for your toes, and hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so here you want your legs always as straight as possible, then a straddle. So you're prepared for your cartwheels and your legs don't go ah. So just reach down, as far as you can. You can walk from side to side. You can go this way. And then the next thing you're gonna wanna do is your wrists. Just kind of make your pancakes and flip them over. Cat stretch. Because then when you do all your handstands and everything, your wrists won't go into wrist shock. Then you gotta stretch your shoulders, stick your booty up in the air, meow, just like a cat. You know when they do this with their paws. Stretch your stomach, stretch your heels, your calf muscles I mean. Push your heel down with a straight leg. And then you're gonna do your splits. Lunge, straight, nose to your knee. And I have all the stretching in my beginner gymnastics playlist, so I'm gonna attach that for you. So you can go slower. I'm just going quick so we can get through everything. Because if you've watched me before, I talk too much sometimes. I'm sorry. So we're really gonna try and get through this. We can do it. And then your middles, and then hold that for 20 to 30 seconds, and then you're ready for your bridge. For your bridge, hands by your shoulders, feet close to your butt, push your stomach up, never ever come down on your head. Look for your hands, straighten your arms the best you can. You don't want your knees this way, you want to push back. Shoulders back, tuck your chin when you come down. So if you have a bar, super wonderful. Always have the mat, under it. You want to start with your strength stuff. So chin up hold. This is a chin protector. You can buy them online. I got mine through Tumble Track. And just try and hold it. But you don't want to knock your chin if you don't have one of these. So really make sure you get above the bar like that. It's just great for your everything, your arms and so many things. Then you can take a shoe, or if you have this thing, put it here on your legs, hold your knees up, and now you can get your abs. Oh, it feels so great. I feel stronger already. I love getting strong. And along with your chin up holds, you can put something under your feet and maybe even a little higher, like so your feet are maybe up here. And then you can just pull straight up without using your legs and without going like this, because this is a lot of the kids, they go like this. And so if you're really little, you can think, peekaboo above the bar, straight up and straight down. Then you can stand behind the bar, push your shoulders, never ever put your head back. Look into the magical kingdom where the best things happen. I don't know. So push. You're just gonna do one swing in a tuck position, knees up. Stand back in the back. So never ever land in the front of the bar because you could break your arms and go like this. So if you put your hands down, you do that again, and we really don't want that. So always land either under the bar or slightly behind, and make sure your hands are all the way over the bar when you go into your swing. Hang down. You can attempt to get one foot up, And then the other foot, try and get straight legs. Once again, never put your head back, look through the window. It's actually quite relaxing. You can even try those feet in the middle if you want. Then you can put the bar all the way low, and if you don't have a bar, maybe at the park, sometimes they have bars, and just have someone, you know, holding your shoulders so you don't go over. You can try just jumping up and down. And then when you're up here, this is front support. Just be nice and tight. You don't want to be like that. Get comfortable with that. Then you can do some casts. I'm gonna move over here. Always go in the middle of the bar, but I'm just, you know, so I don't have to move everything going here. Always lean forward. This is called cast. Feet forward and back. Forward and back. See, I'm leaning forward. And then on the last one, you can push off and bend your knees. And remember, in the video I have of this, I explain everything. I'm just kind of showing you the things, and then you can learn about it later. When you practice those casts, you might want to put something in front of you in case you go forward. Because just like I said before, if you go and you're like, ah, then you could go and do the arm break again, and we don't want that. So be creative once again. I don't know. Put something there. The cushions, couch cushions. Hey, your parents might not be that happy, but whatever keeps you safe. Now we're gonna learn how to go forward. This could be really dangerous. That's why you can build this up and even stand on something on this side. And make it where if you fold yourself in half, see I'm leaning forward, I go forward. You can bend your arms slightly. We don't normally have bent arms, but for this, it's okay. I lean, I lean, I lean. Your feet can go up a tiny bit, but once they reach like horizontal, watch my hands and my toes. Switch your hands under and drop your toes and fold yourself in half like a taco. I love tacos. They are delicious, along with every Mexican food. So from here, you can gently start to rock. See how I'm rocking back and forth? Now watch what I do with my hands. Back and forth, back and forth. Then you can put your feet on whatever it is. Oh no, everything fell down. Mine needs to be a little higher. Oh, I can touch my feet now. Because if you touch, then you're gonna be safer. And then you can practice pulling your chest up. But when you pull your chest up, you wanna switch those hands to the top of the bar. And eventually, you'll go forward. Remember, you wanna fold where your hip folds. My hands switch to the top. I'm gonna look at my toes, tuck my chin, and slowly roll forward. And see if something's here, it just will make you feel, you know, better. And you can always have someone stand here and spot your back, just to make sure you don't fall. Okay, moving on. So yeah, the beam is great, of course, for your balance. That's why it's called balance beam. What a great invention. Wonder who is the inventor. So you're gonna stand tall on the beam and you wanna walk with your feet turned out like a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Because you wanna not do this. This is what I don't want. Ugh, I can't take it. I can't take it. It's like nails scratching on a chalkboard. Because when you go into a cartwheel, if your foot is turned like this, oh my gosh. But if our foot is like nice and straight when we go, then your body's gonna be going the right way. You say, uh-oh, I was a little crooked. Should have got those hips straighter. Come on, Meg. And then you can do releves. Just high toe walks, straight legs. Put your arms out. Ladies, you wanna turn your palms back, middle finger, thumb in, lift your chin. Because then you're, oh, and really, really tight squeeze legs. So then you're gonna feel those legs tight for all your other tricks and build your strength in your lower leg. And then kicks, straight legs. This is for your cartwheels and your handstands so that you can feel those legs. Please, please, no noodle legs. I don't want to see this. Even the bottom leg that you're standing on should be straight. So start low, even if you start that low. It's awesome. And then you just build from there. You can do just walks, like regular walks. You can go sideways. You can go backwards. Feel the beam. Feel it. Oh, there it is. Feel it. Oh, there it is. Feel it. Okay, there it is. And this is really going to help you. Oh, passe walks, toe to knee. Oh, and bear walks. So hand and then a foot with straight legs and straight arms. This is going to help your handstands and cartwheels. And of course, lunges on both legs, and you can go into your lever. But remember never to fall onto your hands so you don't break yourself. And then arms up. Voila. And for your end of the video trick, remember to download my app if you want, because then you can find all my videos super easy. I'm just gonna do a back handspring since I have this nice mat in my living room. Woohoo! Thanks again, everyone. We'll see you soon.